Mobile hotspot not working on Windows 10, 11. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So what you guys could do is you're going to click on your settings over here and navigate into your network and internet. Now you could try enabling your mobile hotspot directly inside of your settings instead of through your task manager. And this will allow you to basically force it to turn on. If it does not want to turn on, because sometimes if there really is a very serious issue, even if you do this, it won't work. What you're going to do is you're going to click on find setting over here and you're going to search for troubleshoot settings. Over here, simply click on other troubleshooters and you're simply going to run your network and internet over here. And if it found any issue, it will basically identify it for you and prompt you on what you need to do to be able to fix it, as you can see here. You could run your tests over here and so on and so forth. And you could try this method. Aside from that, you could also try our device manager over here, where you navigate to your network adapters. And you're going to ensure that all of these network adapters over here are updated. So you're simply going to click on right click and update driver over here and click on search automatically for drivers. It will determine whether you have the best driver available and if they are all updated. So let's say these are all updated. And now after that, you should try restarting your device, not just a normal restart. What you're going to do is you're going to shut down your device, unplug your charger, and wait for 30 seconds before you turn it on. That is called the cold restart, which will basically apply all of your drivers or ensure that your drivers are being utilized properly. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.